By being ready to host this conference, Unisa has already evidenced its commitment to the establishment of youth work as a profession. And so my message of support this morning is not aimed so much at the conference per se. I think that goes without saying. Rather, it is aimed at reminding us of the rationale behind the establishment of youth work as a profession. And that, of course, is the growth, nurturing and development of our youth into the kind of citizen that will be an asset to our respective societies and whose values promote the development of all and not just the privileged few.
This profession to which many of us have devoted our lives has come of age. It is a time for youth work to stand amongst the professions on the international stage and claim its ground and say who it is. Because we know who we are now, we know what we are for, and we know who we are for. This is not a hobby for well-meaning adults who like to still hang around with the kids and pretend that they are young. This is an essential service driven by the impact of modernity on cultures and societies across the world. And in any society that's touched by modernity, youth work will emerge.
My presentation is going to be on national recognition of youth work as a profession. The purpose of the presentation is to share with you lessons from South Africa in terms of where we are regarding getting youth work to be professionalized. As we all know, 53% of the world population is under the age of 15. In South Africa, 77.6% of South Africa's population is between the ages of 0 to 35 years. Within our national youth policy, there are various indicators that we use in order to track whether we are making progress in terms of youth development. In terms of classification of youth work, what I can say is that currently we have got youth work in South Africa being classified as a profession, but also as an area of specialization. A research which I conducted actually shows that there was support from the respondents in terms of supporting that youth work should become area of specialization for social work as well as child and youth care work.
Our government, in partnership with the Commonwealth Youth Programme, the Commonwealth Regional Centre for Africa, the University of South Africa, and the National Youth Development Agency, is honoured to host this Commonwealth Conference on education and training of young workers under the theme toward professionalizing youth work. We have recommitted ourselves to promote youth development opportunities for those that will be the future leaders of our country, and ensuring that the voice of the youth is represented in Commonwealth actions at the national and international level. This conference, therefore, enables an opportunity to support young people in their pursuits and, in particular, to appreciate the efforts of young workers as they are the frontline providers of services to the youth, be it health, care, education, or developmental work. May your discussions be successful and fruitful as you seek to further promote youth development. Thank you very much.